all, very good morning. Today I'm going to talk about one situation that I had made in my journey. Not made, but where I was an professor when I taught to my student, my polytechnic student in government polytechnic. That time I was took one surprise test for my students, and when I entered in a classroom, and I just told to them, okay, all of you students, today is our surprise test. We have done our one chapter of network subject. There is a circuit and network subject, and I said to them all of, and starting to talk with them like I'm going to do one thing in white paper. Means I'm going to write one question in a white paper, and starting to write, but but there was a expression of their students was surprise. Means they also surprised for surprise test. So I thought this is obvious. All of um, all of thought like that, because all kind of students are doing same thing. Means if I'm giving you a one surprise test to you, and after that I will tell, okay, write that question and answer it. So you don't know how to write, and what will your answer will be after that, because you don't know about the question, and wherever you just left your one or two classes, you didn't attend any two or three classes, so you don't know about that session. Okay, so that's why some of students also got surprised, and they also thought like, oh, what will happen after that? Because when I always given to my students, that was a surprise, and I will means after that, and many of colleges, I had a professor, and that time also I'll give some. Means I had given some of that surprise test. Most of the homeworks I had done in my classes also to give my students. So I mean I'm laughing here that time, but there are also a student also getting enjoying this. They also got enjoyed in classroom, and they also surprised all things. So let us continue my session. Means let us continue what happened there. Then I thought, okay, let me give one question to you. Then I took one paper in my diary, and starting to write, but I didn't write anything. I wrote there a one black spot in a white paper. Like, see, here is a book. Okay, here is a book, and I write here one black spot. Like, see, can you see here? Okay, can you see here? So I write this black spot on middle of the page, and mostly I'm doing means I'll said after that to them, okay, fine, what you find on that paper, and what will be the answer, write in your book. They got surprised, miss, what is the question, what that type of question, this is a black dot. So most of the cases, those students writing their answer in their page, and they started to write, and after that, means they write for students, so was written like, ma'am, here is a black dot in a middle page. This is the answer, only this one the answer. And second student also writes same of the type. Means there is a center of the place of that black dot, and it's the dark black dot. Means I used one black pen, and I draw that black spot in the center of the middle of the center of that page. And and many of students write same answer. So I took sheets, all of them, and mm, went to write, going to the right. I was going to the right and started to writing those things, started to reading those things. Center of the middle of the page, there was a black dot, like that same type of answers I got. And many of students also write same type of answers. And some student, they don't attend, they didn't attend their question answer sheet, means they only given me a blank sheet. And I supposed to say to them, don't write your name on page and write your answer properly. So most of the cases they use all things. And then I want to say, in that situation, see, I'm giving you a right situation to you right now. Here you written all these questions, and here you are written in answer pattern. Okay, this is your answer. So many of those are written like say black spot. Why you didn't see in that page white paper? Why? Why? There was a most of the large page. There was a most of the whole. Miss, you may seem like 92, 94, 95, 96%, near about 96 to 97%, there was a white page, the white paper. So why you didn't see on white page? Why? Because we always seen on a black black side. We always seen in a negative side. Means they means opposite person was telling you be a wrong. So you seen like of that person only he's wrong. Means you seen like of that person he is wrong, means he is negative, he is not my friend, means he is behaving like um, wrong. So we always seen like black negative thoughts of other people. So be be proud of other person, means they have many of positive things, many of positive things. 97, not 97, I'm not saying like that, but they have many of those positive things. So hi, try to be understand of them, and seen like that they have an ability to create new things, and you have an ability to create new things. So be care about that, and think in a positive way. Okay, and don't see a negative like positive, that black spot scenes, don't see like only a negative, see like only a positive, like white page. Okay, because we always see the negative thoughts of others people, we always. So saw in that them positive things only, don't negative things. Skip those all negative things and try to be positive. Be positive always, and be motivate with Pallavi. Stay motivated, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my motivation, uh, if you like my motivation, you want to be you are in a motivating with my using my channel, so let me know in a comment. Thank you all, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.